the environment, where it's positioned. We've got the leisure centre, we're near the shops, we're near the train station. It's perfect.
Villawood's a cut above the rest because it's got flat land, variances in sizes, it's got your parkland, very family orientated, and your things that are coming up in the future are quite amazing.
One of the best things about the surrounds is like when you can walk in here, just the atmosphere is so much different to any other estate we've seen. Just the quality, the type of things nearby. Like you've got the light rail walking distance from your house. It'll take you about 2 minutes to get there. You've got everything else. You've got the Westfield here as well, and you're probably 10, 15 from the beach. It's a great spot.
5 years ago, I went to a conference on the Gold Coast, and a guy got up on stage, and I watched him with interest. He talked about a re-stimulation of the Gold Coast, and he had a whole pot of enthusiasm. He was really enthusiastic about where he's headed, and I grabbed this guy after the conference and said, "Can I have 10 minutes with you?" His name was Tom Tate. He's our current mayor, and it was basically his enthusiasm and his, I think, his vision for the reinvigoration of the coast that I made the decision to invest quite substantially up here. When I bought this property, 5 years ago, honestly, that word was this would not happen for 10 years. So I thought, well, that's fair enough. But when the power of three classes of government or three levels of government get together, it all started with Gold Coast Council, active state government, and a very obviously the feds came on top. Well done, and proves how things can happen. Currently we have some, I think, additional 10 projects underway in various stages through southeast Queensland. We're going to be here for a long time, and we want to form strong relationships with everyone here. We've got some of Queensland's and certainly national builders' best up here. I think I'm extremely proud of what's been delivered, and I just think the place looks great. Every time I drive here, I'm very excited. We promised a good project, and that's exactly what the community's going to get.
For me to have the opportunity to be here is fantastic because Villawood has been exceptional in terms of its investment in our city, and in working with them through the assessment phases of development applications, they've really been one of the easiest groups to deal with. They've been fair. The council officers have enjoyed working with them, as have the elected representatives. So thank you, Tony, for the way that you do business. It's a fantastic opportunity, probably the best located site in Northern Gold Coast, and I say that in a very well considered position representing most of Northern Gold Coast, but quite envious of what I see here today. But it's just replicating what Villawood do and what they do so well. They have a great community interest and spirit, and you would have seen that from the public art that is all the way along the entry road to this development. That sort of public art does create a pride in a community, and it's wonderful to see a company actually giving back to the community with very expensive pieces of artwork that do help to grow ownership. And you do it so well, Villawood. Congratulations.
Look, with the open space, the greenery, the amenities, and also the pricing to the estate for what you're going to be getting, surrounded in a little enclave of beautiful waterways, walking tracks, and also the greenery around. I can't fault it. It's just an absolutely gem where we've got a lot of our own staff buying in here, building in here. I've been talking to a lot of the other builders, they've done the same. We can see the potential here, and I'm sure that a lot of people walking through are seeing that as well.
I think just the lifestyle, you can see what's going to happen here. It feels safe and livable, and again, I love the green belt around the community. I mean, it's got so much going for it. I think it's an obvious choice.